Here we are in Dallas at the Keystone BIG Show. We're gonna turn this 2018 F-150 into a work of magic with AirDesign's new body kit. Hodge is the master installer. You and Hodge?
I'm great, Billy. Glad to be here. Glad to be down here with your truck. We're gonna get your products on there and make some magic happen. By the time we get these pieces on this truck, it's gonna look beautiful. You guys build a quality product. I'm here to make it get on that truck.
Great. Also, we're gonna look at some of the other trucks here at the show after Hodge gets done, so stay tuned and watch AirDesign. So what do you think? Is this your first time at a Keystone BIG Show?
Well, it's the biggest show I've ever had. From what I understand, first time in Texas, and everything seems to be bigger in Texas. We're gonna make this truck bigger and better.
We're live on the Big Show here in Dallas with Hodge. This is going to be our new live demo tomorrow that you're going to be installing. You've installed a few.
Quite a few. We're getting into the hundreds, I think, now. I started back with the 2015 F-150. That's one of your first designs. It's a quality design.
Since you're working for, you don't work for AirDesign, you work for a Ford dealer, an independent person, why do you like doing AirDesign's kits?
Our dealership is Blackstock Ford up in Ontario, Canada, and we've been using your product since day one, watching it evolve on all of our different vehicles. Obviously, we do a lot more Fords than anything else. AirDesign's really brought some unique parts to the table, not only through unique styling. I think that shows in the pieces you built for this truck. One of your biggest claim to fame has got to be those super bolts. Super bolts are used on your flares. And there's other manufacturers out there building flares and building pieces, but with having that adhesion to the vehicle, it just makes the product that much more solid.
What we do is we listen to the customer. Instead of trying to rush a product, we slow it down.
You guys changed the game. The game had been there for a while, and people were doing it the same way for so long. And I think you'll see more and more of that with AirDesigns, that you guys don't always just do what everybody else is doing.